Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to look at how to view your shared links in ChatGPT. So maybe you've created different things in ChatGPT and shared them with a colleague or friend by clicking on share and copying the link and sending to someone. You might want to find those links again if you can't see the chat on the left-hand side. So to do that, it's really easy. Just click on your profile, go to settings and scroll down to data controls. And here you can see shared links. So you can click manage those links. So you can click on them again to use them or delete them, whatever you need to do. So that's it for today. Hope that was helpful. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more how-to videos.